Hello everyone and welcome back to another video with Twisted Beauty. And y'all, I know I'm already looking crazy, but in today's video, if you clicked on this video, you already know what we're getting into. I'm going to be using the Revair today. I'm going to be blow drying my hair a little bit. I had asked you guys how you're going to feel about another hair video. I haven't done one of these in a long time. Girl, I ain't getting no feedback from nobody, but we're going to try this out today. We're going to see what we get. And if you want to see me take this crazy thing off my head so we can see what the hair is giving, then stay tuned to the video. Okay, ladies, so first things first, I got to take a sip of water. Yes. And I am drinking out of my nice new little Stanley cup from e.l.f. You know, they launched this little one. I don't know, maybe it's been close to about a month ago now. So yeah, so I'm loving that. And y'all, I don't know if it's the cold or what, but my lips have just constantly been feeling dry. So I'm gonna put a little bit of this here on to get them moisturized. And yeah, that's just the way I be putting my lip moisturizer on all around the lips. And I'm using today, just if anybody's interested, it's the Tatcha Japanese Peach Lip Jelly. Yeah, and this is from Tatcha. Girl, I got this in, it's a lip mask. The Kissu lip mask. I got this in something, I don't even remember what it was. But anyway, to what we're here for today. So you guys, I just freshly washed my hair. That's why I have this like big I believe they call these pashminas, and I use them to wrap around my hair after I have washed them and to soak up the excess water. So I'm pulling that off now. I got my little products that I'm going to be using here. My hair is already sectioned off. For me, I usually keep my hair in twist majority of the time. Hence, that's why we changed our name to Twisted Beauty. And then I also wash my hair in twist as well, because it just helps me better manage my hair that way. Because with it being all over the place, it gets retangled after I already detangle it, and girl, I ain't got time. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start with this back section here. I am gonna be using my, oh, hold on now, because I forgot how heavy she was. I'm gonna be using my Revair. This is what it looks like right here with the hose and all that. I'm sure you guys have seen that on countless videos. I'm gonna be using that. I'm reaching way over here. I actually was planning on using my my pattern hair steamer, but y'all, I have had mine I purchased it maybe, I'm gonna say a month ago, and I'm really just getting around to using it now because I don't wash my hair like every week or anything like that. But I just decided I was going to use it this time because I wanted to see, you know, what it was going to do. Filled it up with the water, turned it on, and no steam. It wouldn't even work. So I was devastated by that. But guess what? We can always return that. And if you guys want to see me use this hair steamer, then you got to let me know down in the comment section. We're going to use the word steam. Steam it up if you want to see that video, okay? So what I normally do is, you can see that my hair is still in a twist now. I usually take section by section. So this is one twist right here. And I just keep the other ones, I clip them right up to this section. I take it, and I hope I'm not hitting this mic, guys. I unravel that. Actually, what I'm going to do is, I messed up here. I usually apply my leave-in, and this is what I use as my leave-in. Y'all see where it's at, right? I love this stuff right here. I mean, I absolutely love it as a leave-in, and I'm trying to get more, but they. This is what I didn't know. Somebody tell me if you knew that Ulta did not sell melanin hair care products anymore. If you knew that, baby, I wish you would have told me because I did not know. I was so devastated when I went to Ulta to get some. I was looking for the. I was actually looking for the shampoo at the time. Okay, y'all had moved my mic over a little bit because I just felt like I was hitting it. But anyway, I went to the Ulta looking for the black soap, the African black soap shampoo, which I do have it now. I did do a video on that, told you guys I hauled it. However, and I did use it today, by the way. Um, I was gonna pick that up, and I was also gonna pick this up, but I didn't even know they didn't sell the products no more. So I was just like, Alta, what's wrong with you? Why don't you sell those products? They said people weren't buying them like that. I find it hard to believe because every time I went, it was sold out. But okay, whatever. So now I can only utilize the actual melanin hair care website is where you can find the products, which I am not able to do that because I have a hard time waiting for stuff to ship. I have like anxiety as soon as I press pay for something, like I'm checking my window because I'm expecting it to be there right then. Yeah, that's a big problem I have. And then the other place that you can purchase these products is at Sephora, which is often sold out of them the majority of the time. So I'm waiting for this to come back in stock so I can pick that up. So first I apply this. Then I am using the Curls Aloe and Blueberry Juice Curl Moisturizer. So I use that as well. So I just spray like maybe 3 pumps on my hand, run it down the actual shaft of the hair. And then I know it seems like it's a lot going on, but this just works for me because I need these products to, penetrate my hair. Then today I'm using Silk Elements Mega Silk. This is the heat protectant here. I prefer to use Tresemme, that heat protectant with the red top. I don't have any more. I actually ran out of it. So this is what we're using today. I did happen to have that. I don't really care for the smell of this. Has like ugh, I don't know. I don't like the smell of that. But this is my unbrush right here. You guys have seen these products, I'm sure, countless amount of times. I'm just taking my unbrush and further detangling my hair. And I love this unbrush. I cannot lie because it just goes right on through the hair. I'm going to reach down here and grab my little air vet. Yeah, my Revair. Y'all, my mind is constantly at work. I have said this before, I'm a healthcare worker. I'm talking about I'm going to grab the Airvo. If you're a healthcare worker and you know what an Airvo is, like this is nothing like that. Airvo is, honey, I don't even need to be talking about it. But anyway, let's go ahead and turn this on. I'm gonna definitely mute out the sound here for you guys. So we're gonna get into it. Okay, so that isn't probably the driest that it could be, but that's all that I need is that much. This is so nice. It does not take forever at all. After I do that, I just take the piece, split it, and I just twist it back up like this. And then we move on to the next section. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of these sections, and then I'm still getting a few like shed hairs. I don't know if you guys can see. Probably can't even see that one little hair. But I'm just want to show you guys which one. This is what your actual hose looks like. So you have the one dash is the low, the two dashes is high, and then like this middle section is it kind of just it's like off or something. So, well, yeah. No, it's not off. It's cool. It's like the medium area. Yeah, I'm gonna finish this side over here and then I'll be back. So guys, I am back. I had a long night. Okay. After I think I was with you guys for that first half and then we went on to do like the second side here. I kind of showed you a little bit of that, but man, I don't know why I thought I was going to breeze through this little blow dry like that, but I mean, it is so much better using the Revair. Honestly, you don't have to keep raking. The Revair actually, short of reverse air, pulls the water, moisture from your hair, and it dries it that way. And it really does not take long. And it lessens the tension and the pull, you know, like you're not combing, brushing through your hair. I guess you could do that with the blow dryer, just as tension method, but I don't think you're going to get as dry and as good as results as you get with the Revair. So this is what the finish look is like. I just took the same parts that I wash my hair in, and this system works so well for me. I wish I had been doing this a while ago, but like the parts work so well for me. So I wash my hair in the parts, twist my hair up after the fact, I dry them in the parts, and then I just like separate, style it however I want to, and it makes it so easy for me to just get up. I can do different styles. I could do this in a half up, half down style. I can do multiple things with it, but it is so much easier to maneuver. So this is the hair. I mean, it is not straight, which that is definitely not what I was going for. It's more like just kind of blown out, stretched a little bit. And for my hair texture and my hair, it does need to be in a more stretched out state. My hair works better that way. So yeah, I just wanted to come back and show you guys the finished look because one, I said I would do that, and it just got to be a little bit late and I wasn't able to fully finish, showing you guys what I got. So I've had it pulled up in a bun for work purposes. But yeah, this is what I have now. I did bring you guys along while I did that. I just want to say, if anybody is natural, I cannot tell you what the Revair does for relaxed hair because, clearly I'm not relaxed. But if you are natural and you are looking for something that is not a lot of heat, easy on the hair, gets the job done, I would suggest that you try the Revair. It is a little bit pricey. If you can just save up bit by bit, put it in your budget, fit it in there some kind of way. Hey, it's almost Christmas. That will be a beautiful Christmas gift to ask for, or someone to give you, or you to give to someone if you're able to do that. So guys, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you have made it this far, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you like what you see, hit the like button and the notification bell so that you will be notified each and every time I do another video. And I thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, be blessed. Let us come back and do it all over again. And I will see you in the next one. Bye, YouTube.